Assessment strategies for learning in e-learning model. Assessment is simply the process of gathering information on what students know based on their educational experience. Assessment results are typically used to identify areas for improvement and ensure that course content meets learning needs. There are two basic types of assessments. Formative assessments occur within an online course or lesson and are used to determine how well a student is learning the material. They are best when they are ongoing, consistent, and provide critical feedback to learners. Summative assessment are sometimes referred to as a final exam and measure what the student has learned after completing a course. They can validate how well your content supports the course's overall learning goals. The mechanisms that can be implemented for the work to be developed in a virtual learning environment should allow the creation of support strategies, generating tools, procedures, and plans that involve the student's learning pace. Likewise, the work can be recorded by means of an evaluation grid that allows the teacher to establish evaluation criteria on the learning that the student must achieve so that he or she can self-regulate his or her progress and identify difficulties that arise in order to reach those learning challenges or academic competencies. An evaluative work is proposed based on rubrics, checklists from the use of contextualized, meaningful, and attractive learning guides so that the learner feels challenged, increasing his interest to face the scenario of autonomous education with remote orientation. The fundamental strategy is self-evaluation based on the understanding of the didactic materials mentioned above. Nine ways to assess student learning online. These are the most common assessment methods. The first one, online quizzes. These are ideal for measuring learning results across a wide audience. 2. Open-ended essay questions. They encourage critical thinking and are best suited for evaluating higher level learning. 3. Drag and drop activities. Use them when you want learners to be able to apply the knowledge in real-life situations. 4. Online interviews. During brief online interviews, students can demonstrate their proficiency in various areas. 5. Dialogue simulations. Help train learners for real-life conversation with customers, colleagues, and others. 6. Online polls service. They allow you to capture feedback directly from your audience on their learning experience. 7. Game-type activities. These are considered fun and not tests, so they are a good general indicator of skills and knowledge. Peer evaluation and review. Give each participant a chance to reflect on their knowledge and then communicate their feedback in a consistent and structured way. 9. Forum posts. Use them when you want learners to interact as part of learning process while checking their comprehension of a topic. Online assessment are a critical part of e-learning and should be undertaken with the same level of care and rigor that you put into creating your learning content. The teachers don't have to be a programming genius to build online assessment. There are many software tools that allow to generate and engaging tests. The questions are: what are the basic type of evaluations? Can you name some of the resources for tracking students' learning? What is the difference between formative and summative assessment? Can you name 3 assessment strategies in virtual environments? If you were to apply one of the type of assessment with your students, which would you use? Thanks.